Please stay tuned as you join me through this crocheting tutorial, basic crocheting tutorial. So I have my crochet wools here in different colors. These are the mini ones. This is the multicolor wool. This is a baby pink, and it has some sort of glitters in there. And I have the also blue, purple, pink color. I have red. I have a red one here as well. And then a very thick fleece one. So I think this one is a bit tight. I'm trying to unravel it. Yeah. So ensure. So I'm gonna start off by wrapping the wool around my finger. Also, there's another way of doing it. I'll try and show you. And then I'm going to start off by taking some of the and then using it to wrap around, and then try and then just put it back in there, scoop it, take one, scoop, another one, scoop, then another one, scoop, scoop into one, try and so I'm gonna do this a couple of times, and then once I get the desired, I'm going to remove it from my nail or my index finger, and then work on it at a much faster pace. Yeah, so I'm going to remove it in order to be much faster, and then I'm just going to try and so ooh. Hello everyone, and welcome to Ayesha's Twin Nails Arts and Crafts Gallery. I hope you're all doing well. My name is Ayesha, and this is my platform whereby we do crocheting, we do pottery work, nail work. So today this is a continuation of our crocheting video. So as you can see, we're just gonna continue our crocheting. So yeah, if you also want to learn how to, we do some artwork as well. So if you want to learn how to draw, then this channel is for you. If you want anything concerning creativity, we do it on this platform. So please endeavor to subscribe, like, comment, and share the video. That way we get to grow the channel, and also YouTube gets to recommend the channel. So yeah, I'm gonna put a link of my, we do bead making. So if you like bracelet, necklaces made of beads, then check it out on the channel. I'm gonna put a link in the description. Also, we do copper rings as well. So I'm gonna put the link of that as well in the description for you to access. So you see, if you join this channel or you subscribe, there are so many things that you can benefit from just on one channel. Can you believe it? Learning how to make bead making, learning how to draw, learning how to do portrait work, nail work, everything on this channel. And you'll be well entertained, because I do sing as well on the channel. So whilst you're watching me do this or teach you, I'm also going to entertain you by singing. Yeah, it's a win-win, isn't it? Yeah. So most people think that crocheting is for old people, you know, granny sitting in the armchair, lazy chair, and they are busy crocheting. But actually, crocheting is a very vital role or skill that you can learn. Imagine knitting your own what's it called, beanie hats, your own blankets. Yeah, so it's actually a unique skill to have. So yeah. So guys, this is where we are up now. Yeah, so I'm gonna make a mini pouch bag, the handle. Yeah, so I hope you like the video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment. Don't forget to share the video as well, so that others will also be exposed to this channel. Until then, it's a goodbye from me to you. Bye guys. This is how it's looking at the moment, the height of it. And then yeah, this is how it's looking at the moment, and that's the bottom.